Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our maths class. Yesterday, we discussed the problems from exercise 6D. Hope you understand the problems. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Today, we are going to learn Venn diagram. What do you mean by Venn diagram? Venn diagram is the most commonly used pictorial representation of sets. Venn diagram is used for pictorial representation of sets. Okay, what do you mean by Venn diagram? Venn diagram is used for pictorial representation of sets. Usually the sets are denoted in picture form by using this Venn diagram. Okay, and this is invented by John Venn. That's why it got the name Venn diagram. John Venn. Now let us learn how to use Venn diagram and how to mark the relationship between two sets. Okay, suppose two disjoint sets A and B. Two disjoint sets. What do you mean by disjoint? Disjoint set means they have no element in common. Disjoint, no common element. So this is the disjoint set A and B. First of all, a rectangle is there. This rectangle is universal set. This is called a universal set. This rectangle is called a universal set. And all the sets are marked inside this universal set. Okay, all the sets are marked inside the universal set. Usually circles are used to mark the sets. If you want, you can use other oval, etc. Okay, oval shape, etc. So this rectangle is universal set. Inside the universal set A and B. What do you mean by universal set? Universal set means it is the set under consideration. So every sets are inside the universal set. Okay, and two disjoint set means we can mark A, B. No relation between A and B. Disjoint means no common element between them. Suppose A is equal to elements 4, 8, 7. B is equal to 6, 3. No common elements. And in universal set 1, 2, 9. Also this 4, 8, 7, 6, 3. All the elements are included in universal set. Then two joined or overlapping sets A and B. How to mark two joined or overlapping set? What do you mean by overlapping set? If two sets are called overlapping, then they have at least one element common. At least one element as common between these two elements. Suppose here A is equal to ABC. A is equal to ABC and B is equal to ADE. Here which is common? The element A is common. Element A is common. So this is overlapping set. So in overlapping sets, this is the method for marking. This is the picture. Venn diagram for overlapping sets. First of all, you draw universal set U. Then M and N are the element in universal set. Then draw A. In A, the elements A, B, C. Then draw B. In B, elements A, D, E. Here A is common, so we draw an overlapping picture. Okay, this is the diagram for overlapping sets. Clear? Overlapping means they have at least one element as common. Okay. Clear? Venn diagram means Venn diagram means pictorial representation of sets. In pictorial representation, first of all, we are drawing the universal set. Inside the universal set, all other sets A, B, C, etc. Okay. See, then how to mark a subset of B in using Venn diagram? How to mark a subset of B using Venn diagram? First of all, you draw universal set. Then a subset of B means, what do you mean by subset? All the elements of A is contained in B. A subset of B means all the elements of A contained in B. Okay, all the elements of A contained in B means suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in A 1, 2, 3 these elements are also in B, you know. Always B is greater than A. B is called superset of A. B is called superset of A because B has maximum elements. A means A is less than B. The elements are less than B, but all the elements of A is contained in B. That is subset. All the elements of A is contained in B. Moreover, B contain some more elements. So always B is greater here. A subset of B means first you draw B inside A. This is subset notation for Venn diagram. Okay, subset. A subset of B means B is A contained in B. A subset B means A contained in B. That means all the elements of A is in B. That means A is less than B. That is B is greater. So B draw outside inside A. Okay. Next, how to draw B subset of A. B contained in A or B subset of A means all the elements of B is included in A. So here A is greater, B is smaller. So first draw A, inside you draw B. Okay, B is inside because B subset of A means all the elements of B is present in A. Moreover, A has some other elements also. So A is greater. Then inside you draw B. This is the Venn diagram for subset. Okay. Next, fourth one. The shaded portion in the following figure shows A union B. Let us learn how to draw a union. Union means together. A union B means all the elements from A and B. All the elements of A and B. All the elements of A and B. First, this picture is, this is overlapping set, you know. Overlapping set. Overlapping set. A union B means all the elements of A and B. So, you shade all the portions, both A and B. Shade both A and B. Okay. That is overlapping set. A union B means all the elements of A and B. So, we want to shade completely. A union B. Union means all the elements in A and B. Okay, so shaded it completely. A and B. Next, this is what type of set is this? This is disjoint set. This is disjoint set. Okay, so for disjoint set, universal set. Don't forget to mark universal set. Okay, disjoint set. In disjoint, this is disjoint set. In disjoint set A union B, how to mark? This is A, this is B. Mark it completely A and B. Next, this is subset. This is A subset of B. In A subset of B, how to mark A union B? A union B, both A and B. So this is the way to mark A and B. Okay, clear? First one is overlapping set. This is disjoint set. This is subset. For these three, mainly Venn diagram is, we can draw three. Venn diagram is for three types. Therefore, intersection or overlapping sets, disjoint set and A subset of B. Three types are there. From there, A union B, how to mark? A union means both elements in A and B. So, you mark this completely. Here also AB completely. Here also AB completely. Okay. Next, the shaded portion in the following figure show A intersection B. Then how to mark A intersection B? What do you mean by intersection? Yes, intersection means common. Both for A and B, the common element. In A and B, common element. So, first one is overlapping set. You know, we know that this is overlapping set. The set is called a overlapping set. Universal set. This one universal set. Okay. A U intersection B means for both the common for A and B. The common portion is here. This portion is common. So this one is the picture for A intersection B. Now this is subset, subset. In subset A intersection B, how to mark A intersection B? A intersection B. This is A subset of B. A subset of B means all the elements of A contained in B, All the elements of A is also in B. So the common part is A only. Because same elements are there in A and B. A and B same elements, but here A is inside B. That means A is inside B. And same elements are there in A and B, but B contains some more elements. So we can mark A. A intersection B for disjoint set is this. This is the Venn diagram for A intersection B for a subset, not disjoint, subset. This is disjoint. For a disjoint set, this is disjoint, not common elements. Not common means A intersection B means what? A intersection B means the elements common for A and B. Here no common. Disjoint means no common. So nothing is common. No need to shade. Okay. Null set. Clear. Now sixth one, the shaded portion show A minus B. How to mark A minus B? Okay, how to mark A minus B? How to mark A minus B? A minus B, this is for see, this is for A minus B. This is an overlapping set. A minus B means the elements in A but not in B. What do you mean by A minus B? Elements in A but not in B. So only in A. So mark A only, not B. Okay. Don't mark this common portion. Only A you mark. Okay, this much portion. Don't mark this common portion. Only in A. Okay. Here the common part is there, but don't mark that. Only in A. Don't mark A fully. Here common part is there. Don't mark that. Only in A, not B. Now, the disjoint set. A minus B means it is in A, not in B. So, only A you mark. Only A. Okay. Next one. A subset of B. A subset of B. How to mark A minus B? A minus B means it is in A but not B. It is in A but not B. It is not possible to mark for a subset. A minus B means all the elements of A are in also in B, A minus B means, A subset of B means all the elements of A are contained in B. Such a set, it is not possible to mark A minus B. What do you mean by A minus B? It is in A but not in B. A minus B means it is in A but not in B. But it is not possible to mark here. So null set. Next, seventh one. The shaded portion shows B minus A. How to mark B minus A? What do you mean by B minus A? B minus A means it is in B but not in A. So first one overlapping set. How to mark it is in B means only B, not in A. So don't mark the portion A. If we are mark this common portion, A also included. So don't mark that common portion, that overlapping portion. If you mark that, A also included, but don't include A. B minus A means only B. Next one, this B. Here, B minus A means only in B. Next one. Next one. For a subset, this is B minus A means in B, not in A. In B, not in A means only this outer portion of A. Okay. B minus A means it is in B, not in A. That is very easy to mark. Only for B minus A. Okay. A minus B is not possible, but B minus A is possible. Okay. Now in your textbook, example 5 is the how to find a intersection B complement A dash intersection B, like that question. Before that, we want to know how to mark such a for an overlapping set. This is overlapping set. How to mark A intersection B? How to mark A intersection B? A intersection B means common to A and B. The element common to A and B means this portion. Okay. Now how to mark A intersection B complement? A intersection B complement means what? A intersection B means common section for A and B. This one. Common for A and B. This one. A intersection B complement means what do you mean by A complement? A complement means not in A but in universal set or other set. A complement means not in that set, that is not in A but in universal set or other set. So here A intersection B complement means not in A intersection B, not in this portion. A intersection B means this portion, you know. A intersection B means this portion. So not in A intersection B and all other portion. So mark all other portions. Okay. Up to this much portion. Don't mark this intersection portion. A intersection B complement means not in A intersection B. All other parts are included. Okay. Refer your textbook also. Next one, A union B. What do you mean by A union B? A, both A and B. So we can mark this way. Okay. Next. A union B complement means what? A union B complement means not in A union B. Complement means not in that. A union B complement means not in A union B. So it is in only in universal set. So don't mark A and B. All other portions. Okay. Next one, A dash, A complement. What do you mean by A complement? Not in A. Not in A. So don't include A. All other portion we can mark. Not in A. So except A, all other portions we can mark. Also include the universal set. Okay. Clear. See. Okay. Next, A complement intersection B. A complement intersection B. A complement means not in this A. Intersection B means only B we want to mark. How? A complement means except this A, all other portion. Okay, except A, all other portion. A complement means except A, all other portion. Okay, now A complement intersection B means common to A complement and B. See, intersection means common to A intersect A dash and B. Common to A complement and B. A complement means except A, all other portions. Then which are the portion common to A complement and B? A complement intersection B. Intersection means common. Here which is the part common? Yes, this B. A complement means this portion. Universal set and this B. Intersection B again. Intersection means common. B again. So that is B itself. Okay, the common for A complement and A complement intersection B is B itself. Don't forget it, very important. Okay. Now one result is there, A intersection B, the whole complement equal to A complement union B complement. A complement union B complement, not intersection, union. Here intersection, A intersection B the whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Same way A union B the whole complement equal to A complement intersection. See, intersection, not complement. Sorry, union, intersection. Here union, here intersection. Here intersection, here union. Okay, clear. So please note the diagrammatic representation, that is Venn diagram. How to mark overlapping set. This is overlapping set. Then how to mark a disjoint set. This is disjoint set. And how to mark A subset of B and B subset of A all. Okay. Then also learn different set notations, that is A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A for overlapping set, disjoint set and subset. The notation of A intersection B, A union B, A minus B, B minus A for three sets. Which are the three sets? Disjoint set, overlapping set, subset. This is overlapping set. This is disjoint and this is subset. For these three sets we want to learn A union B. How to mark A union B, how to mark A intersection B, how to mark A minus B, how to mark B minus A. Then one more thing, how to represent A intersection B whole complement, A union B whole complement, A dash intersection B. That also you learn. Okay, this A dash means not in A. Not in A means all other portions, B and this universal set. Then intersection B, A dash intersection B means A dash means this one, intersection means common to that B also. So that is B itself. Okay. Next, okay, that's all for today's class. Next class we will check the exercise.